Am I live? I think I am live. Is it? Let me know if you could hear me, if I am clearly visible as well as audible to you all. Can we start? Here we go. So all those students who are new to our channel, okay, remember that I have these many videos for you all. So this is a general video telling you how to score better marks or good marks in your examination. If you follow all the tips and tricks given over here, you will definitely get 40 on 40 in physics. Though it is not that easy to score 40 on 40, but yes, we can try. Then I have a chapter video on chapter calorimetry. Then electromagnetism, sound, sure shot numericals. I will strongly recommend sure shot numericals. This is from electricity and radioactivity. Please go through these videos properly, right? And if you find physics overall difficult, then this video is for you. So sir, what are we going to do today? Our today's topic is a super 40 subjective questions. I have found that it takes a lot of time to complete 40 questions. And if I am not in a position to complete 40 questions, I'll make sure that I'll complete 20 here in part 1. And tomorrow morning, I'll complete the remaining 20. I do know that I have to complete the remaining 20 numericals also. So I have kept that as a target for tomorrow, right? So here we start with our first question of the day. In fact, I will say that this is the most important question. You must know this. Name the material used for the, and there are 4 components, right? Yes, very good evening to all of you who are attending. Yes, Andrew, good evening to you. Now, please remember that I want you all, okay, I want you all to solve these questions, because on Monday after your examination is over, you will tell me, sir, most of the questions were from this question bank. Either same question were there, I to feel ki same question, same pattern of question will be there, or some questions, okay, similar question like this. I will strongly recommend, I will force you to solve these 40 questions. अगर आपको एग्जाम में you want to score good marks, अगर अच्छे marks लाना है, तो solving this question is a must. Solving this question is a must. Now tell me the material used for the electric fuse. I'll try to cover as many questions as possible. For fuse, material used, can you tell me what is that? It is an alloy. It is an alloy. Can you elaborate? This alloy is made up of which thing? Alloy of what? Alloy of what? Yes, alloy of tin and lead. An alloy of tin and lead or plumber. Okay, PB. Connecting wires. These connecting wires are made up of, I'll use a color pen. Are made up of what? It is either copper or aluminium. Copper or aluminium. Let me know if this color is clearly visible to you all. Okay, let me know if this color red is clearly visible. Then put a thumbs up in a chat box. Please put a thumbs up in a chat box. Is it clearly visible? Yes. And all those students, I see almost 12 students are watching here. and likes are only 4. So please like this live streaming. I want you all to like the video. I want you all to like this video. Come on, quick. Okay, 17 students are what? To be very precise, 17 students are watching, but only 4 likes. Please like this video. Okay, not a like in a chat box also, and please like this live stream. All right. Today I started on time. Today I started on time. Most of the time, okay, there is some or the other technical problem. But today I thought, okay, now I am used to this technical problems. Right, very good. Thank you very much. Now we have more likes. Always remember, when you are watching a live stream, keep on watching, keep on giving your reply. Right? So that keeps your teacher motivated. Now next, now this question which I am discussing with you, that is very, very important. You can take out a printout of this PDF. I have not uploaded this PDF as yet. I'll do it as soon as possible once live streaming is over. Please make sure that you solve this question, and also, okay, check your answer. Okay, you can check your answer over here. Now, filament of the electric bulb, I could see, okay, I can see there are so many students who are giving the correct answer. This is what? Tungsten. Okay, tungsten. Why tungsten? Because melting point is very high, and on heating, resistance is more, and on heating, it starts glowing. And that is the exact function of the electric bulb. It has to emit the light. And any heating appliance, it has a element nichrome. It has a element nichrome. Very good. So if I set your paper, this question will definitely be there. This question will be definitely there. Right? Can we move on to next question? Can we move on to next question? Here we go with our question number 2. With our question number 2. What do you understand by a free vibration? Give one example of free vibration. Okay, do you want me to write all the answers, or should I just read out the answer? Or should I read out the answer? Let me know in the chat box. Should I write this answer, or you are okay if I read it? I'll make sure that I read it properly. What should I do? Let me know. And one word of caution, okay, word of caution, when you write your physics, okay, when you write your physics paper, please use a proper keyword. Please, yes, any heating, toaster, electrical iron, so any heater whereby heat is produced. Okay, now see, now we are talking about tungsten. Tungsten also have high resistance, and nichrome also have high resistance. But tungsten glows on heating, so that is the reason it is used in electric bulb. And what? When nichrome is heated, when electricity is passed, resistance is very high, so it becomes hot. And tungsten glows on becoming hot. Nichrome becomes red hot. It becomes red hot. So that can be used. This property can be used for heating. Okay, for heating various things. Right. Okay. Now, what is a free vibration? I'll read out the answer. You just pay attention. Okay. I'm not writing this. Wherever possible, I'll write it. What is a free vibration of a body? As I was talking about this word of caution, please remember, when you write your answer, particularly physics, don't write the entire story. I know the answer and I start writing essay, a big essay, 2 pages ka essay, 3 pages ka essay. No, my dear students, you have to write all your answers in your keywords, If you write a whole 1 page ka answer, and if your keywords are missing, you are not going to get the marks. Okay, so somebody already have said it. Let me check whether it is right. Free vibration. Okay, now see here, question is free vibrations. Free vibrations. So your answer should be free vibrations. Okay, free vibrations of a body is what? It is a periodic vibrations. Yes, these are periodic vibrations in the absence of external force applied on it. Okay, correct. Okay, periodic vibrations of a body. Please don't forget this. Please don't forget this, of a body. Okay, periodic vibrations of a body under the absence of external force on it are called free vibrations. Are called free vibrations, right? Okay, going on to examples. Okay, we want only one example. I like to give two examples, right? At least two examples. What is it? We can say oscillation of pendulum. Oscillation of pendulum. Is it free vibration? Oscillation of pendulum. It is free vibration only in absence of medium. In absence of medium. Please don't forget to write this. In absence of medium. So medium is not there. So resistance is not up. Okay. Now opposing forces will not be there. Correct? This was first example. This was first example. Now what is the second example? Would you like to give me any example? Yes, when a body is clamped at a point and it is disturbed from its position. Okay, it is set into a free vibration. Please don't forget to write this, because in our world free absence of medium is not possible. Absence of medium is not possible. Correct? Absence of medium is not possible in our world. So this absence of medium, without fail you have to. Correct? So we can take oscillation of a load suspended by a string, or some of you have given in vacuum also. If you don't want to write here, okay, you can also write in vacuum. How you can write this? In vacuum. But please write the correct spelling of vacuum. ACWM. Am I right? In vacuum. Moving on. Okay, next question. State the two factors. I hope you have downloaded, okay, PDF given by me yesterday evening related to factors. Tomorrow you have, on Monday in your physics paper, you are going to see that lot of questions will be asked which will be related to factors. And this is a common thing for any physics paper. This is a common thing for any physics paper, right? Okay. So here we go. What are the two factors? What are the two factors on which frequency of free vibrations depend? Okay. Number one, factor number one is what? Size of the body. Size of the body. Right. And factor number two is the shape of the body. Am I right? Yes, already some students are giving the correct answer, right? Okay. How does presence of a medium affect the amplitude of free vibrations of a body? Now, if there is a medium, free vibrations, your free vibrations will become damped vibration, okay? So they are asking you, read your question carefully, they are asking you, effect on the amplitude. So what will happen? Amplitude will increase or decrease? Amplitude will increase or decrease? Come on, tell me fast. Okay, amplitude will decrease. Will what? Decrease. Why? Why it will decrease? Why it will decrease? Due to loss of energy. Due to loss of energy. Due to loss of energy. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? Okay, please make sure that you write only that answer which is asked. Okay, don't beat around the bush. Don't beat around the bush. Right? Okay. All the students who are watching this live stream, please make sure that you have liked this video. Okay, and let your chat keep on coming in the chat box. Draw a diagram for the displacement time graph for a body executing free vibration. Now see, I am drawing a diagram, please pay attention. I am drawing a diagram here, please pay attention. This is my y-axis. Okay, draw it straight, not like this. This is my y-axis and this is my x-axis. Okay, this is x-axis, right? This is 0 and here I will take plus a. Height of the wave is amplitude and towards the negative side minus a. On x-axis, we are going to show time and on y-axis, we are going to show displacement. Displacement, right? And over here, draw some dotted line. Okay, draw the dotted line. Sit with your notebook and pen for this live streaming and make sure that you are attending along with me, right? Now see, what are the mistakes which students do? What are the mistakes which students do, right? So this is what? This is what? What diagram we are drawing? What displacement time graph for body executing free vibrations. Okay, body executing free vibrations. So will we start from here? Okay, we will start from here. And please make sure that at equal distance, maybe at 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, you mark this point. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So maybe you will get it to the scale. Right, something like this. It is very difficult using this pen tab, right? So draw something like this. Okay, this is for free vibrations. Use your pencil, use your scale, and please show it properly. All the students who are watching this live stream, please make sure that you have liked this video, and please don't just watch. Let your comments keep on coming. Let your comments keep on coming, right? Whatever doubts you have, you can ask through a comment box. What are damped vibration? Now next definition is what are damped vibration? So answer, okay, what is the answer? The periodic vibration of a body of decreasing amplitude. Okay, periodic vibrations. The periodic vibrations. Okay, periodic vibrations of a body of a decreasing amplitude. Now, by the way, what do we mean by amplitude? Suppose if you, here it means the height. If you consider a case of a pendulum, right? So the extreme position, okay, extreme, this is a mean position, the maximum distance it covers on its either side while in motion, that is called the amplitude. That is called the amplitude. In the case of this wave, you have to do a better job as far as this wave is concerned. Right? This height means amplitude. This height means amplitude. Right? This is amplitude. Generally, it is represented by smaller a. I'll just read down this definition. The periodic function of a decreasing amplitude. And you have to mention, okay, in the presence of the resistive force, are called damped vibration. So vibrations of a body which are of decreasing amplitude, 3 keywords: vibration of body which are of decreasing amplitude, okay, decreasing amplitude in the presence of resistive force. Third is resistive force, is called the damped vibration. Okay, due to an external force applied on it. These are the resistive forces. Okay, it is not a force actually it is applied, but it is due to the air molecules, dust particles, and other resistive forces. Okay, which is, or maybe gravitational force. These are the forces which are stopping this, right? Give one example of a damped force. Okay, which example we can give? An example of a tuning fork. Example of what? Tuning fork. set into vibration, set into vibration, okay, set into vibrations. So we see that vibrates, tuning fork, okay, prongs of the tuning forks vibrate for a while and then it stops vibrating, right? Even a thin branch of a tree is stretched and released, okay, Selena textbook. This example is given over there, right? What is the cause of this dampening? What is the cause of this dampening? I think we already have discussed this. What is the cause of this dampening? Okay. Can you tell me? External. C1, okay. External periodic forces. External, okay, periodic force. Right? Or we can even say resistive force. Or resistive force is the cause for this dampening, right? Yes. Now moving on to draw the diagram. I feel this diagram may be asked in the examination. This diagram, okay, this diagram. First we will draw what? X-axis. I'll try to do a better job this time. And this is y-axis. And this is y-axis. Much better as compared to the previous one. It is not up to the mark, but better. Y and y dash. This is 0. This is plus a and this is minus a. If this diagram is asked, please make sure that you write all the other required labeling part also. What happens in case of dampening? Okay, this line you can draw. And please make sure that both are mirror image. OX is like a mirror. Okay, OX is like a mirror. Correct? Now here goes R ray. Correct? Let us start from 0. What we are doing? Damped vibration. Damped vibration. So vibration can start from A also. It can start from 0 also. Something like this. Something like this. Yes, I am doing much better as compared to the previous one. Right? And finally it will become flat. Right? Something like this. Okay? Is it fine? Are we thorough with this answer? This answer is very important. This answer is very important. Correct? Chalo. Let's move on to next question. I was getting ki sir, do a one-shot video on sound. One-shot video on a sound. So I have various video on MCQ, on subjective question. If you pile them all together, so sound will be covered over there. Right? Here we go. Now this is very important. This is very important. Please pay attention. Okay, now some students, they get a PDF, but they don't know how to get a solution. So you can watch this video for the solution, right? Okay. Now these PDFs are also circulating in various WhatsApp group, on Telegram channel and all those things, right? Okay. A body vibrates with a natural frequency F. Okay, natural frequency is given as F. Correct? What else? Made to vibrate by applying an external force of frequency N. Okay, so F is the natural frequency of a body and N is the frequency of the applied force. And state the type of vibration shown by a body. Can you tell me what kind of vibration is shown by a body? Now see, there is a natural frequency. Body is vibrating with a natural frequency and external force is also there. So what kind of, okay, so what is your answer? What kind of vibration is there? So far we have learned two types of vibration, natural and forced. So this is which one? This will be damped vibration. Am I right? Am I right? Okay, damped vibrations. Correct? Damped vibration. Damped vibration. Right? Second one is state the type. Okay, second, under what condition the amplitude of a body will be maximum? Amplitude of a body will be maximum when there is a resonance. Correct na? There is a resonance. And write in terms of equation. Now resonance occurs when natural frequency, here it is given as F, is equal to frequency of the external force. Frequency of the external force. So my second answer is F is equal to N. What here? Forced vibration. A body vibrates with a natural frequency. Okay. See here. No, you are getting it wrong. It cannot be. How it can be a force vibration? Okay, force vibration is an external force. Force vibration is given externally, right? Okay, force vibration is given externally. So what is this? Damped vibration. External forces. So this is what? This is a damped vibration. What? Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt or something? Is there any doubt or something? Okay. A body vibrates with a natural frequency F. It is made to vibrate by applying an external force of frequency N. Okay. So it is made to vibrate by an external force of frequency N. Okay, so what kind of? Yes, it will be force. Yes, dear students, you are right. It will be forced. Okay, yes. It will be forced vibration. It will be definitely forced vibration. Yes, you are absolutely right. Okay, forced vibration. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you very much for bringing it to my notice. Okay. I was thinking about the result. Okay, that is a reason we have to read the question properly. Yes, thank you very much, Archit. Thank you very much. Okay, state the type of the vibration shown by the body. Okay, type of the vibration. So natural frequency and applied force. Right. So it will be a forced vibration. Right. And damped will be because of there is an external forces. Okay, but that is not a condition here. So forced vibration. So F is equal to N is the second answer. Coming on to C wala part, C1, right? What condition? What is this condition mentioned in B called? Okay, B is like what? When your natural F is the natural frequency, okay, of a body, and N is the frequency of the applied force. So there is a special condition where amplitude of vibration is maximum. Okay, so what is this condition called? This condition is a phenomenon, and the special name given to this phenomenon is what? Is resonance. And this question is sure shot. You are going to get resonance. You are sure shot going to get this question, right? You are going to get this question. Also you have to define, okay, the resonance. Please make sure that you write, okay, textbook definition properly with all keywords, because if you miss on keywords, you are not going to get the marks. Okay, what is resonance? It is a special case of force vibration. Yes, it is a special case of force vibration. Correct. Write the proper definition. It is a special case of force vibrations. Force vibrations when frequency of externally applied force n, don't write n, write a complete sentence, is equal to natural frequency of the body. Okay, and in this state in which body starts to vibrate with the maximum amplitude, so don't write this, okay, amplitude, don't write this answer in a shortcut. Okay, in a shortcut, write a complete statement. Fine, write a complete statement. Right now, here comes a give reason why bells are big in size. Temple bells are big in size. Okay, why temple bells are big in size? Okay, because, okay, bigger temple bells, okay, bigger temple bells, what they have, what they have, what they have, what they have low resonant frequency. Okay, they have low resonant frequency, low resonant frequency means less frequency is required, less external frequency is required. Okay, low resonant frequency, right? And sound is able, I'll write it fast so that we cover more number of questions, is able to travel more distance, and it is louder, more distance and is louder, right? It accumulates large air column, if bell accumulates large and, okay, bigger, so what will happen? Okay, let us say this is the bell, right? So large air column, so vibration, okay? So there will be vibration. So frequency is 1:2:3. Okay, write this, low resonant frequency. Low resonant frequency. Okay, that means sound is able to travel more distance and sound is louder. Right? Can we move on to next question? Any doubt here? It is not enough to write it. It accumulates. Okay, it accumulates larger air column. So what happened? You have to elaborate. If you want to explain on that point, you have to elaborate more. Okay, see, I have completed 20 numericals. And other 20 either, okay, tomorrow, tomorrow I have like generally I have the other classes also, but tomorrow is a Sunday. So what I will do is, like here also today I am going to take 20 questions. Another 20 questions tomorrow I will complete. Those another 40 even if I don't take a live class, I'll make sure that I solve all the questions and I upload a PDF. I do at least one of the two. But I am trying to come live and complete the remaining 20 questions, right? Yes, I'll do that. Aman Aryan, don't worry. I have read your comment in the comment box also, but I was busy with my other lectures as well as this Super 40 question bank. Tomorrow I'll be uploading a Super 40 questions, okay, for MCQ based question also. Is it clear? Can we move ahead? Can we move on to next question, please? Right, name the 3 factors on which the vibration of stretched string depend. Okay, so what is the formula? Stretched string, okay, what is the formula for frequency of a stretched string? It is equal to what? 1/2L into what? Can you complete this? What will be in the numerator? 1/2L into what? Under root what? Numerator is T, denominator is pi r square into rho. What does T stands here? What is T here? Is it time? Is it temperature? Or is it anything else? Is it time? Okay, pi r square is area. So area of cross section of a wire, or we can say thickness, and the density, right? Correct. So name the factors on which it depends. From this, it is absolutely clear. It depends upon three things. Okay, this depends upon three things. Number one is this T. Are you typing what does this T stands for? What does this? Yes, it stands for tension. Don't just write tension, write what? Tension in the string. Don't write tension. Now you have to write complete sentence. Okay, tension in the string. In the stretch string will be even better. Right? Second one is what? Look at the formula. Length. Okay, length. Length between what? Length between what? Okay, it is on which stretch between its ends. Okay, length between the two endpoints between which this wire is stretched. Okay, so this length. And what is the third? Am I blocking the vision? Okay, this writing. Okay, and third point is what? Okay, third point is what? Can we say thickness? Thickness or thinness of the wire. Okay, thickness or thinness of the wire. Correct? Right? A string of length L, a string of length L, stretched between its end is made to vibrate in one loop by plucking it from its middle position. State where will you pluck to make it vibrate in two loops? Yes, already answers have started coming up. Okay, Harshit Kumar is very quick with his answer. He is thoroughly prepared, ready to take any physics exam, right? Okay, can you tell me two loops when plugged at what position? Okay, at what position? At 1/4. At 1/4 the length. Okay, don't just write 1/4. Instead, write the complete statement. 1/4. Okay, 1/4. The total length. Okay, so if this is the total length, divide it into 4 parts. So when it is plugged here or maybe from here, 1/4. So two loops will produce. And 1/6. Okay, 1/6. 2 into 2 is 4, right? 3 into 2 is 6. And 1/6. When you plug at a distance of 1/6, okay, how many loops you are going to get? You are going to get 3 loops. Am I right? Am I right? Okay. The strings. Okay, the string instruments such as violin or maybe guitar or veena or sitar are provided with number of strings. 7, not 1, but there are different strings. Okay, of 7 different radii. Especially violin. Why different radii? Why different radii? Here question is related to what? Okay, different radii. It is related to what? It is related to thickness, right? We have seen the factors which affect, okay, is radius also. Pi, okay, denominator pi r square into density. So what will happen? Okay, so why this arrangement? Why this arrangement? So I'll write answer over here. To produce, okay, to produce what? To produce different frequency waves. Different frequency waves. To produce different frequency waves. Correct, na? Equation, do you remember? Okay, different frequency wave. To get. This is musical instrument. So musical notes of different frequency. Musical notes of different frequencies. On a violin, you get a musical note of different frequencies. Correct? Correct? Yes. Absolutely right. Okay, here we go. Question number 6. Let me know if you have any doubt. Yes, F is inversely proportional to R. S is inversely proportional. It depends upon a radius. Right? Name the 3 characteristics which distinguish the different musical notes. Right? Different musical notes. So which are those characteristics? 3 characteristics. Ek answer. Okay. One is what? Ek answer. One is what? Loudness. One is what? Okay. First is loudness. pitch and quality. Correct na? Loudness, pitch and quality or timbre. Should I write it here? Okay. One is loudness. Two is three characteristics, pitch, which is already written over here. And third one is quality. But I will suggest you all, just don't write this loudness, pitch and quality. Write off a note also. Okay, off a note also. So loudness depend upon which factor? Very important question, a sure short question. It depends upon what? Does it depend upon amplitude? Pitch depend upon what? Frequency. Frequency of the note. And quality depends upon what? Depend upon the waveform. Okay, on the waveform. Name the subjective property of sound related to frequency. Related to frequency. Is it pitch? Okay. Subjective property. Yes, yes, very good, very good. So most of the students are well prepared. Okay, this is just a revision. And subjective property of sound related to amplitude is what? Related to amplitude is what? Loudness. Okay, is what? Loudness. Correct now? Now next is what? The quality of a sound of same pitch differ when produced by a different instrument, because okay, different instrument produces a wave, okay, which are of different waveforms. Okay, different waveforms. Their waveforms are different, right? They may be same in pitch, they may be same in amplitude, but their waveforms are different, right? Okay. Quality. Okay, other word for quality is timbre, right? Okay. Fine. Can we move on to next question? Any doubt anywhere? Any doubt anywhere? Yes, as they have different waveforms, right? Okay. So here we move on to our next answer. To our next answer. Correct? State the 4 factors on which the resistance of a wire depends. See, this factor kind of questions will definitely come. 4 factors. A wala answer. Can you tell me which are these 4 factors? Okay, which are these 4 factors? Okay, so 4 factors are what? Chalo, I'll give you formula of resistance. You tell me which are those 4 factors. Okay, rho L by what? A. One more factor is there which is not mentioned here. Okay, one more factor is there which is not mentioned here. Correct? Resistance depend upon what? What does rho stands for? What does rho stands for? Okay. What does L stands for? What does A stands for? So resistance depend upon what? Length of a wire. Correct? R. It also depends upon what? Area of cross section of wire. Area of cross section. Correct? Third is what? Third is what? Material used. Material used. And which is fourth one, which is not in the formula. Fourth one is temperature. Is what? Is temperature. So factors, I already have shared a PDF file related to factors. Please make sure that you learn all the factors. You learn all the factors, right? Okay, come here. Okay, there are certain numericals. Now pay attention. A given wire of resistance 1 ohm is stretched to double its length. So in sure short question, I have done this question. What will be the new resistance? What will be the new resistance? Do you want me to solve this sum completely? Zara dhyan do. Okay, zara dhyan do. Now again, resistance formula is rho L by A. Let me know if you don't understand anything. Right? This is my equation number 1. Therefore, new resistance, okay, new resistance is rho. What is the change in the length of the wire? Okay, length of the wire. It is stretched to double its length. Length is doubled, okay, length is doubled. Okay, length, my pen tab is not working properly. Okay, length is double. So instead of L, okay, this will be what? This will be L dash by A dash. Why I am not putting dash for resistivity? Okay, resistivity will remain same. Resistivity will remain same. It will not change. Only length and area will change. Right? Area of cross section will change. So rho R is equal to rho. Length is double the original length. Okay, double the original length. Then area, new area will be half the original area. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? Now what? Now what? When I solve this, what I get is R dash is equal to, now this 2 and 2 will be multiplied. Okay, denominator ka denominator will go in the numerator. Okay, so 4 into 2 into 2 into rho L by A. From equation number 1, you can say, see this, rho L by A is resistance. So new resistance is 4 times the original resistance. 4 times the original resistance. Okay, original resistance, a given resistance is 1 ohm. Okay, original resistance is 1 ohm. So new resistance will be 4 into 1, which will be 4 ohms. So this is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. Fine. This is the correct answer. Any doubt? Any doubt? Let me know if you have any doubt. Correct? Correct? Okay. A given metallic wire of resistance is doubled on itself. Now this was what? Part B. Now we will take part C. Wire is doubled. Wire is folded. So length will become, okay, new length. Which color should I use? Let me use. Okay. This is part C. New length is reduced to half this time. When wire is folded and it is double on itself, area will become double. New area will be double the original area, right? Now again, question, okay, this solution will be same. R is equal to rho L by A. This is formula for resistance. This is question number 1. This is, sorry, equation number 1. New resistance. Rho is not going to change, okay, resistivity, because it is resistivity, okay. L dash and A dash for new wire. So R dash is rho. L has become L by 2. Okay, L, I'll write 2 in the denominator. And what A has become? A has become 2A. Okay, so R dash is what? 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 4 into rho L by A. So this time new resistance is 1/4 the original resistance. 1/4 the original resistance. Okay, given, okay. What will be new resistance? Original resistance was 1. Original resistance was 1. So R dash is equal to 1/4 of 1. That is, this is 0.25 ohm. Is it fine? If you want a proper vision, I'll write it. This time R is 0.14, 0.25 omega or ohm. Correct? Okay, any doubt, let me know. Any doubt? Two wires of same length. Next question. Two wires of same length and same radius, but one is of copper and other is of iron. Okay, which will have more resistance, copper or iron? Which will have more resistance? D wala. Definitely, definitely, this is for sure. This is for sure. Okay, iron will offer more resistance. Okay, iron, they have same length and same radius, so these factors are constant, so more resistance will be offered by, okay, wire made up of iron. Correct? Any question or any reason is asked? No. Give one example. Okay, can you tell me this? Can you tell me one example? I'll give you two examples whose resistance decrease with increase in temperature. जो ये फॉलो नहीं करता है, ओके, जो ये इक्वेशन को फॉलो नहीं करता, ओके, गिव मी टू एग्जांपल्स, ओके, जिसका रेजिस्टेंस, ओके, उस मटेरियल का रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ अ सब्सटेंस, उस सब्सटेंस का रेजिस्टेंस जिसका, ओके, जिसका टेम्परेचर के साथ में इंस्टेड ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग द रेजिस्टेंस डिक्रीज हो जाता. गिव मी टू एग्जांपल. कैन यू गिव मी टू एग्जांपल्स? फटाफट, जल्दी जल्दी, कैन यू गिव मी टू एग्जांपल्स? Can you give me two examples? Can you give me two examples? Jaldi. Can you give me two examples? I can't read your comments. Any problem? No, Constantine, manganese is not an example. Okay, वो दूसरे चीज के लिए. Okay, here it is carbon and silicon. Carbon and silicon, right? Carbon and silicon. Okay, carbon and silicon. Please, please. Okay, correct yourself, right? Yes, there is an answer, carbon and Constantine. But for what? But for what? Can you tell me किस लिए carbon and manganese, this Constantine and manganese? Is it clear? Do you want to have a overlook? Okay, you want to see a complete solution. ये जरा अच्छे से करना, doubled or stretched wire, very very important, very very important, right? Here we go with the next question. Next question, question number 8. This is question number 8. Okay, question number 8. What is this question? Resistance of 5-meter long wire of a particular material is 5 ohm. What will be the resistance? What will be the resistance? Okay, what will be the resistance of same wire when stretched to double? देखते हैं जरा ध्यान से, when stretched to double. Okay, there are 3 parts. We will solve one by one. We will solve one by one. जरा ध्यान देना. Part 1. Starting initial steps are same. Initial steps are same, right? क्या है? So resistance is equal to rho into L by A. Equation number 1. Equation number 1. Okay, that is equation number 1. Then what? Then what? R dash is what? Rho L dash by A dash. Correct? So R dash is what? Rho L dash. The same wire when it is stretched to double its length. So new length is 2L. Originally it was L. New length is 2L. And what will be the change in the area? Area, when length is increased, area will become A by 2, will become half. This already we have solved, right? Denominator का denominator ऊपर जाएगा and 2L वाला ये L, and we are left with rho L by A. So R dash is equal to 4R. New resistance has increased 4 times. What was the original resistance? It was 5 ohm. Okay, so new resistance will be 4 times. Draw this only. Okay, length वगैरह पर ध्यान देने की जरूरत नहीं है. That was what? How much? 5. So new resistance is 20 omega. I will strongly recommend. Okay, I will suggest you all to solve by this method. Is it fine? Is it okay? चलो आगे बढ़ते. Correct, आगे बढ़ते. A 10-meter long wire of same diameter. Now look here. There is a trap. There is a trap in this question. New resistance is what? We already have this. 4 times the original resistance, right? Okay, 4 times. So, of 10 meter earlier, okay, length was 5 meter. A resistance of 5 meter long of a particular wire material, okay, of a particular material is 5 ohm. What will be the resistance, okay? Of 10-meter long wire of same diameter. Diameter is same. Diameter is same, okay? Diameter is same. Length has been increased. Now pay attention here. अब स्टोरी में चेंज है. पे अटेंशन हियर. इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आएंगे तो सॉल्व होने बहुत जरूरी है. ओके, तो सॉल्व होना चाहिए. सी हियर, वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हियर. नाउ वी नो फॉर्मूला फॉर रेजिस्टेंस is rho L by A, right? My equation number 1. New resistance is what? Okay, rho will remain same. There is a change. Okay, we see that 5 meter length wire जो है वो बन गया 10 meter. Means length तो double हो गया. What about diameter? Diameter is same. Diameter is what? Diameter is same. So area of cross section still remains same. Still remains same. So new resistance is what? 2 into rho L by A. Very good question. इससे आपका बहुत अच्छा प्रैक्टिस होने वाला है. Solve questions like this. They are very good hand pick questions. Okay. Rho L by A is what? R. So 2 into value of R is 5. Okay. Value of R is 5. New resistance will be what? 10 omega. Okay, will be 10 ohm. Is it fine? Is it okay? Third one. Now what has become? Is it fine? Is it fine? Or there is a trap? Diameter is same. Wait. There is a trap. As I told you, there is a trap. Diameter is same. Okay, diameter is same. So area will be same. Area will be same, diameter is same. Yes, area will be same. Since diameter is same, area is also same. Okay, coming to third part. See here, this time they are going to make a change in a diameter. Third में, okay, R is equal to rho L by A. This is what I am going to start with. This is what I am going to start with, right? Of a wire of length 5 meter. Okay, 5 meter. Earlier also length was 5 meter. Now length is 5 meter. So no change in the length. New resistance. Length is same. Resistivity never changes. Length is same. Okay, so new length is L. New length is L. What about this? But double the diameter. Diameter is doubled. See area. Okay, diameter is doubled. Pi R square. Area is pi R square. And R is what? Okay, new, what is R? R is half of diameter. R is half of diameter. If diameter is doubled, okay, if diameter is doubled, so radius will also be doubled. Okay, if diameter is doubled, area will also, how area will change? How area will change? Okay. चलो ध्यान से करते हैं. Now pay attention. Here very confusing. New radius. Okay. Radius is equal to diameter upon 2. Radius is what? Diameter upon 2. What will be new radius? New radius. Okay. They have doubled the diameter. Okay. Doubled the diameter. New radius upon 2. So radius will be equal to what? Earlier diameter जो था उतना. Right? So all in all, I can say that अगर diameter double करेंगे तो what will be the change in the area? What is the change in the area? Listen carefully. Diameter is equal to half the radius. So I can say diameter is directly proportional to R. Okay, so any change in the radius will be, any change in the diameter, same will be change in the radius. तो यहाँ क्या किया? न्यू एरिया, अगर डायमीटर डबल हुआ है तो रेडियस इज ऑल्सो डबल. ओके, रेडियस इज ऑल्सो डबल. सो 2 square is 4. So what am I getting is 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. So new area is 4 times the original area. 4 times the original area. So new area के जगह मैं लिखूंगा 4a. Now I am getting r dash is equal to 1 by 4 into rho L by a. Therefore r dash is equal to 1/4 of the original resistance. Original resistance was 5. Can you tell me what is the new resistance? New resistance is 5 divided by 4. Isn't it? 5 divided by 4. So this time new resistance is 1.25 ohms. Am I right? Am I right? Are you getting it? Are you getting it? Let me know if you are following it. कि सर ये क्या है? हम लोगों ने इसको पहले कभी किया ही नहीं था. So we are finding out it difficult. Is that a case? Is that a case? Because there are so many intricacies involved over here. Let me know if you have any doubt. Let me know if there is any doubt. Okay. Is it fine? Can I move on to next question? Remember this relation. Diameter is directly proportional to radius. So if diameter, they are talking, they have made a comment on a diameter. Diameter is doubled for third part. So radius will also be doubled. Yes, it is a challenging question. It is a challenging question. और ऐसे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने से आपका कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो जाता है, राइट? योर कॉन्सेप्ट विल बी क्लियर. मूविंग ऑन टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Define a specific resistance. Do you know what is the alternate word for the specific resistance? Do you know specific resistance is also known by the another word, and that word is resistivity. That word is what? Is resistivity. Okay, resistivity. Earlier resistivity in this formula, we already know this formula. R is equal to rho L by A. So here rho was resistivity. So resistivity का formula becomes R into A by L. R into A by L. Resistivity becomes R into L. Okay, R into A by L. Okay, इसी को आगे use करना है. What is the unit of resistivity? What must be the unit of resistivity? Okay, इस resistivity का unit क्या होगा? Okay, look here. Resistance का unit है ओमेगा. एरिया का यूनिट है, ऐसा यूनिट इज मीटर स्क्वायर, और लेंथ का यूनिट है मीटर. तो मीटर एंड स्क्वायर कैंसल्ड. ओके, न्यूमरेटर में देयर आर टू एम्स एंड इन डिनोमिनेटर देयर इज ओनली वन एम और अ सिंगल एम. तो दैट इज कैंसल्ड और ऐसा यूनिट बनेगा ओम इनटू मीटर. ओम इनटू मीटर. इज इट फाइन? स्टेट द टू फैक्टर्स ऑन विच रेजिस्टिविटी डिपेंड. Okay, so resistivity किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है? You can see this formula and you can frame your answer accordingly. Okay, you can frame your answer accordingly. Okay, can I say it depend upon what? Material. It depend upon material, and also it depend upon temperature. It depend upon temperature. Correct? State the order. Okay, order of a specific resistance of the following. Very important question. So metal, resistivity of metals, okay, is least, okay, is smaller than resistivity of semiconductor. Semiconductor, right? This, we are not talking about resistance. Instead, we are talking about resistivity. And it is maximum for insulators. And it is maximum for insulators, right? So this is answer for D wala. You have to arrange in a order, either in a increasing order or a decreasing order. That is not mentioned. Okay, so I have written this in an increasing order of the resistivity. Is it fine? Two wires, okay, two wires A and B are of same material. Same material means their resistivity is same. They have a same resistivity. But एक का length L1 है 1 मीटर और दूसरे का लेंथ जो है वो है 2 मीटर. एंड व्हाट अबाउट रेडियस? R1 is 2 mm, okay, and R2 is 1 mm. Compare their resistance and their resistivity. Compare their resistance and resistivity. रेजिस्टिविटी मटेरियल सेम है तो आई नो दिस आंसर, रेजिस्टिविटी सेम होगा तो इसका रेशियो तो 1:1 है, विदाउट एनी डाउट इन माय माइंड, विदाउट एनी डाउट इन माय माइंड। अब हमको फाइंड आउट करना है रेजिस्टेंस का, ओके, रेजिस्टेंस का रेशियो, रेजिस्टेंस का रेशियो, रेजिस्टेंस का फॉर्मूला है रो एल ए, रो एल बाई ए, सॉरी रो एल बाई ए, रो एल बाई ए, okay, so rho L by A, resistivity is same, so this got cancelled, okay, so this will be L1 and A1 and this will be L2 and A2, L2 and A2. And what is area? Area is pi r square. We have a radius, so area is what? Pi r square. So I will write this as L1 upon A1 is pi r1 square, divide by, okay, upon means what? This upon means what? Divide by L2 upon pi r2 square. When I convert this divide into multiplication, what do I get? What do I get? Pi r2 square ऊपर गया और L2 इधर आ गया, pi pi get cancel. What was this? This was L2. अब value substitute करो, you must get your ratio. L1 is 1. Okay, don't worry about units meter and millimeter. ये ratio है तो इसको unit नहीं होगा. Okay, so 1 into r square. Okay, r which one? R2. R2 was 1. So 1 into 1. What about r1 square? ये क्या है? r1 square. r1 is 1. So 1. r2 is 1. r2 is 1. r1 is 2. So 2 into 2 into L2. L2 is 2. So it is 1 upon 8. Isn't it 1 upon 8? 1 is to 8. How it can be 1 is to 4? It is 1 is to 8. Right? Let me check whether my substitution are proper or not. I'll check my substitution. L1. Okay, this L1. L1 is 1 meter. So fine, absolutely fine. R2 square. R2 square, R2 is 1, so 1 into 1, 1 into 1. And what about R1 square? R1 is 2, so 2 into 2 into R into L2. L2 is also 2. So ratio is 1 is to 8. Is it correct? Is it fine? Right? Don't directly take area, okay? Area is pi r square. So radius का square लेना पड़ेगा. Radius का square लेना पड़ेगा to get the answer. Right? Right? I'm Anshuman. Is it Anshuman? No, sorry. Ayushaman. I'm extremely sorry. Ayushaman. Okay, this was a solution. This is a solution, right? And resistivity, material is same. So resistivity bound to be same. Okay, this is a solution. Is this question we were solved? Not this one. You can have a look at this. Correct? Chalo. This was question number 9. This was question number 9. So we will come to question number 10. Okay, again a very interesting and a challenging question. Are you up for the next challenge? That is question number 10. The resistance of a torch bulb is 1 ohm. It is connected to a 3-volt battery. Correct? 3-volt battery. Should I write the data here? Yes, I'll do that. Resistance is 1 ohm. And potential difference is 3 volt. It draws a current. Of 0.3 ampere. Calculate the resistance. Resistance of a torch bulb. It draws circuit. Calculate the resistance of the bulb. Resistance of a torch bulb is 1 ohm. So it is already given. Resistance of a torch bulb is 1 ohm when it is connected to a source of 3 volt. It draws a current of 3 ampere. Calculate the resistance when it is glowing. Okay, resistance of a bulb when glowing. When it is glowing, when bulb is glowing, right? Bulb ka resistance kya ho jayega? Okay, will definitely increase. right, will definitely increase, right? Resistance का formula क्या है? According to Ohm's law, V by I is equal to R. So this will make R is equal to V 3 upon I 0.3. When you remove a decimal point, you get 3 and 10 here. 3 and 3 cancel, so answer is 10 omega. Okay, first here it is 10 omega. Correct? Okay. Explain the reason for a difference in the resistance of a torch bulb when it is glowing and when it is not glowing. Okay, when it is glowing, right? We know resistance depends on temperature. Depends upon what? Temperature. Okay. When bulb become hot, bulb become hot, resistance increases. Okay, value of R increases. I'm not writing it in a statement plus, but please make sure that in your examination you have to write this in a form of a statement. You have to write this in a form of a statement. Is it fine? Is it fine? Everything okay? Yes. Explain the meaning of the following terms. EMF. What is EMF? It is a work done. Am I right? ये definition आपको सब याद करने पड़ेंगे. Without fail, you have to remember all this definition. Work done. Okay, per unit charge. Per unit charge. Okay, per unit charge. Per unit charge. In taking a positive test charge. In taking a positive टेस्ट चार्ज, कैसे टेस्ट चार्ज को कैसे मूव करेंगे? ईएमएफ से. ओके, टेस्ट चार्ज अराउंड द कंप्लीट सर्किट, अराउंड द कंप्लीट सर्किट. ओके, अराउंड द कंप्लीट सर्किट. प्लीज ओके, ये डेफिनेशंस को बराबर से करना. टर्मिनल वोल्टेज, टर्मिनल वोल्टेज. ओके, क्या होता है? सपोज ये बैटरी है. Okay, suppose this is a battery. Let me draw it like this. Suppose this is a battery, right? And this terminal I name as A and this terminal as B. Okay, one terminal is A, other terminal is B. Correct? So over here, this potential difference between point A and B outside, okay, with the green line shows potential difference over here, shows terminal voltage, right? Battery is also offering some resistance, internal resistance. Let me use white color. इसके अंदर भी एक resistance है, resistance जैसा ये offer करेगा. This is what? This is voltage drop, voltage drop. Okay, this is represented by capital B, and this is represented by small v, and EMF is capital V plus small v, capital V plus small v. EMF is a work done per unit charge in taking a positive test charge. Okay, positive test charge is represented by small q throughout the circuit. मतलब external plus internal, right? And terminal voltage means only internal. Work done per unit charge in carrying a positive charge around a circuit connected across the terminal. सब कुछ same लिखेंगे, आगे लिखेंगे connected across the terminal. Connected across the terminal. Very important question. Don't be surprised. Okay, across the terminals. Here terminals are A and B. Don't be surprised if you get this definition in your examination. Internal resistance, also known as a voltage drop. Okay, it is the resistance. It is the resistance offered by. We are talking about batteries. Okay, batteries. They are offered by whom? By the electrolyte chemicals inside the cell. By the electrolyte or the chemicals inside the cell. Is it fine? Is it fine? A very complicated subject, physics, right? It has to be learned in a correct way. अब यहाँ पर formula पूछा है, how they are related to one another. As I already told, okay, EMF is terminal voltage capital V plus voltage drop small v. But इसमें I और R को भी लाना. So EMF is equal to capital V is IR and small v is IR. Why I is same? Because same current flows through the entire circuit. So when you take I common, your formula is R plus R. This is what you have to write. Okay, this is what you have to write. Okay, you have to write it like this. So this is the relation. If you can write it like this also. Therefore, E by I is equal to R plus R. Okay, any equation you can. How does potential difference? How does potential difference? Okay, between the terminal of the cell falls when a current is drawn from the external circuit. Means they are talking about what? कि current flow fall हो जाता है. They are talking about okay this one small v के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. That is what? Internal resistance या voltage drop. They are asking about voltage drop. Why there is a voltage drop? Definitely this current decreases. This current decreases because of internal resistance offered by battery. Internal resistance by battery. Okay, by this battery. Correct? यहाँ देखो. Why there is a drop? क्योंकि ये बैटरी जो है वो भी रेजिस्टेंस ऑफर कर रहा है. This battery is also offering some kind of resistance. That is the reason कि इसमें जो है करंट का ड्रॉप देखा जाता है. Very important question. Very important question. कि write the four factors. Write the four factors for the internal resistance. So what? Surface area. Surface area of electrode. Area of electrode is the first factor. Can you tell me which is the second one? Which is the second one? Can you tell me? It is distance. Very important. Distance between the electrodes. Between electrodes. Okay, electrodes which are used. You already have studied electrolysis in chemistry, so you have idea about electrodes, right? The nature and concentration of electrodes. Nature and concentration. It is a chemical, so nature and concentration of electrodes. Last point. Do you want to add to this last point? It is temperature of the electrode. It is the temperature. So these are the four factors. These are the four factors. You can have a look at this solution. Okay, entire solution. Very important. Very important. You must know this. You must learn this. अगर ये आ रहा है आप लोगों को, you are getting a correct answer, so you are bound to get good marks. Okay. Yes, physics can be confusing. Physics can be confusing if you don't study it right way. Correct? Correct. Let's move on to next question. That is question number 11. Four resistances are shown. I think we already have covered this question. Are connected as shown in the diagram. A battery is connected between the points P and S. The 3 omega resistance. 3 omega resistance is 2 ampere. No problem. Okay. The resistance between point Q and R. Can you see here? Can you see here? Resistance between 2 points, that is Q and R. This is point Q. Point Q and point R. So there are two resistances which are connected in parallel. Okay, resistance between what? Q and R. Between Q and R. Okay, that is parallel combination. So formula is R1 into R2 upon R1 plus R2. Upon R1 plus R2. So 2 into 3 upon 2 plus 3. This is 6 upon 5. Isn't it 1.2 omega? Isn't it 1.2 omega? Correct? Isn't it 1.2 omega? Then what? Resistance between points P and S. Resistance between point P and S. Okay, between P and S. Look here, P is a starting point. So 1 omega, series में 1 omega plus this ये वाला पूरा, which we have got as 1.2 omega, and then 4 omega will give you between point P and S. 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 1.2, 5 plus 1.2 is 6.2 omega. is 6.2 omega. Correct? Is 6.2 omega. Right? अगला करेंगे अभी हम लोग. Next part is very important. That is current through the resistance. Let me use different color. Okay. करंट थ्रू 2 ओमेगा. ध्यान से देखो, करंट थ्रू 2 ओमेगा. 2 ओमेगा से कौन सा करंट पास? ओके, वेयर इज 2 ओमेगा? दिस. यहां से कौन सा करंट पास हो रहा है? विच करंट? तो रिमेंबर, अक्रॉस दिस 2 पॉइंट्स Q and R parallel. Okay, across the point parallel, two resistances are connected in parallel. So here you have a same potential difference. Here you have a same potential difference. तो पहला वो potential difference find कर लेते हैं. Potential difference is what? IR. Okay, potential difference is what? IR. So if you concentrate on potential difference of this resistance of 3 omega, so current is I and resistance is 3. So I got a potential difference as 6 volt. I got a potential difference as 6 volt, and now I can find out a current. Now I can find out current. Current का formula है V by R. V तो same ही है. इसमें जो V लगाया, okay, this V is what? 6. Okay, अभी find किया हम लोगों ने. 6 is 6 potential difference, and resistance we want 2. So 6 by 2 is 3 omega. This is answer for the third part. Current, so ampere. Sorry, not omega. It will be ampere. Okay, you have to write a correct unit. Even if you don't write a correct unit, in your answer is right, you are going to get a 0. So please make sure that you write a correct unit. Okay, current through 1 ampere. Okay, now see, I current is coming. Current I comes, and it is separated as I1 and I2. I1 and I2, right? I is equal to I1 plus I2. So I is flowing through 1 ampere, and that is equal to I1. अभी हमको I1 मिला, which is 3 ampere, and I2 is given in the question, जो 3 omega से pass हो रहा है, that is what? 2 ampere. So current through I or 1 omega is current through 1 omega, resistance of 1 omega will be 5 ampere. Will be 5 ampere. Do we have to find anything else? Okay, potential difference across PS. Potential difference V across PS. I'll use a different color. V across PS. Potential difference across PS. Potential difference का formula है IR. Okay, IR. अभी I पता चला मुझे 5 है, और रेजिस्टेंस मतलब वो RP वाला, R ये P between PS. Okay, PS वाला रेजिस्टेंस, which is 6.2. Not this one, 6.2. What is the answer? 5 into 10, 2 is 10, 1 carry 30, 31. 31.0 means 31 volt. Okay, final answer is 31 volt. 31 volt. Very difficult. But yes, कल के एग्जाम में यह आएगा. Okay, so you have to be well prepared for your examination. You have to be well prepared for your examination. Is it fine? Is it clear? Can I go for the next question? Can I go for the next question? Let me know. Can I go for the next question? Yes, can I go for the next question? Please let me know in the comment box or the chat box. Yes. Right? Can I continue? Can I continue? Let me know. Can I continue? Yes. Chalo. Sum number 12. Sum number 12. This looks easy. Correct, because this is related to what? Okay, electric power. And what is this? 1 ampere current flows through a circuit. I think okay, current flows through a resistance R ohm, okay, unit. a potential difference of V volt for time t. Write the expression in terms of VIT, VRI, IRT for electric energy, right? Okay, electric energy. Do you remember यहाँ तीन formula है हमारे पास. Electric energy के लिए there are three formulae. Which are those three formulae? In terms of V, I and T, what is the formula? Electric energy is equal to VIT. In terms of VIR, okay, in terms of VIR, what is the formula? V square T by R. And in terms of IRT, formula is I square RT. That is a formula. Right? तो तीनों फॉर्मूले पूछे आपको यहाँ पर. एंड इलेक्ट्रिक पावर के लिए कौन से तीन फॉर्मूले? ऑल थ्री यू हैव टू राइट. ऑल थ्री यू हैव टू राइट. सिर्फ टाइम नहीं है, फॉर्मूला आर सेम. ओके, पावर का अर्लियर वाज फॉर एनर्जी V into I. सेकेंड वन इज V square by R एंड थर्ड वन इज I square R. ओके, पावर के ये तीन फॉर्मूले. ओके, और ये एनर्जी के तीन फॉर्मूले. ओके, एनर्जी के तीन फॉर्मूले. सो रिमेंबर ऑल ऑफ देम. Write the SI unit of electrical energy. SI unit of energy is joule and electric power is watt. Okay, electric power is watt. State the household unit of electricity. Kilowatt hour. It is kilowatt hour. Explain the meaning of power rating. Okay, power rating means what? What do we mean by power rating? So power rating means, okay, power rating means electric energy. Okay, how much? Okay, let me write in detail. Okay, let me write in detail. अगर power rating पूछा तो ये लिखना है आप लोगों को. क्या power rating tells us? What does power rating? What information it gives us? Power rating tells us what? Tells us, okay, how much electric energy? How much electric energy? Okay, electric energy, okay, I'll try to write it fast, is required to do a work. Is required to do a work in given time. In what? In given time. Correct? In given time. Okay, this is power rating in general. Now what is this? What do we mean by power rating? Okay, power rating of particular machine or a appliance or a motor is given as 220 volt. इसको कैसे explain करेंगे? Okay, so 1 kilowatt, okay, 1 kilowatt of maximum power, okay, maximum power can be generated by a machine, can be generated by a motor or any appliance, can be generated, okay, can be generated when working, when, okay, maximum working voltage is 220 volt. Please learn this, otherwise, okay, otherwise it will be a big problem. Okay, or what is the use of this power rating? Okay, so power rating ka formula, okay, P is equal to VI. So using this formula you can find out a safe limit current. I will be equal to P upon V. P, power is what? 1 kilovolt means 1 kilowatt. So 1000 watt upon voltage is 220. Okay, इसको divide करते हैं तो what you get? 4.545 ampere. So this does okay, fuse of 5 ampere. Okay, fuse wire जो होगा, fuse wire which we are going to use, fuse wire of 5 ampere can be used. Is it fine? Power rating, अगर सिर्फ power rating पूछा तो write first statement. अगर power rating they want to explain कि 1 kilowatt 220 volt, तो second वाला statement है. Okay, or what is the use? So using this power rating you can find out कि आपके घर में, okay, the wiring which you are going to use, तो उसमें current जो है, safe limit current is what? 4.5 means 5 ampere, right? And anything above this can damage your appliance, can damage your entire circuit. Is it clear? Is it clear? Let us move on to question number 13. Let us move on to question number 13, right? ये बहुत easy है, power वाले questions are very very easy. An electrical appliance having a resistance, let me write down this data, okay? Having a resistance R, how much? 200 omega, is operated at 200 volt. Calculate the energy. We have to calculate the energy, okay, consumed in kilowatt hour, in this unit, kilowatt hour, when it is okay, when it is operated, appliance is operated for 30 minutes. 30 minutes we want in kilowatt hour, so 30 minutes will be equal to what? Will be equal to half hour. So I'll use this value, half hour, or even you can use 0. Calculate what? Energy. Energy के लिए कौन सा formula use करेंगे? एनर्जी के लिए कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे? वी हैव आर वी एंड टी, आर वी एंड टी. तो फॉर्मूला विच वी आर गोइंग टू यूज इज वी स्क्वायर टी बाय आर. वी स्क्वायर इज 200 into 200, right? 200 into 200 into t. t is what? 30 minutes. बट ये वॉट में होगा? पावर में? आई थिंक नॉट. ओके, थोड़ा सेकेंड्स में यूज करते हैं क्योंकि दिस फॉर्मूला इज फॉर एसआई यूनिट. 30 minutes is equal to how many? Okay, 30 into 60 seconds. Okay, I am using all SI unit. Okay, SI unit I am using, SI. Okay, so I'll get answer in what? Joules. Answer in joules. Upon what? Upon R. That is also 200. So 200 cancelled, and I got value of E as 3 into 2 is 6. 6 into 6 is 36. Followed by how many? 0. Followed by 3 zeros, right? Energy, this is in joule because this formula will give you in joule. अभी हमको find out करना है किलोवाट में. So I am going to use the unitary method, and according to this unitary method, okay, watt or joule में 1 watt is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. 1 watt is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. So I want to convert. I want answer in kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour is 3.6 into 10 raised to joule. So I have to convert this. How many joules? 36,000 joule. Right? 36,000 joule. So क्या मिलेगा answer? Okay, energy which I am finding out in kilowatt hour is how much? Is 1 into 36000 upon, okay, 10 raised to 6 means 3 and after decimal point, okay, 6 digit, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 36 into what? 1000. Let me take it like this. And 36 into what? How many 0? 5 zeros or 4 zeros raised to 6. Yes, 5 zeros, right? This was 36,000, right? Is it 36,000? 8 zero कम हुआ क्या? 1 2 3 4 zeros, one more, एक और zero है. Okay, so here I got what? 4 zeros, and here I am getting 5 zeros. तो ये कट करेंगे तो आएगा 1/10. So my answer is 0.1 kilowatt hour. 0.1 kilowatt hour. Yes, 0.1 kilowatt hour. Is it fine? Is it fine? What else I required to find? अब B में क्या find out करना है? B में मुझे find करना है what? An electric geyser rated 1 kilowatt. Power is 1 kilowatt. Right? 1 kilowatt. And voltage is 200 volt. And it is operated at the same voltage. Okay? Calculate the electrical energy consumed in 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Time is 30 minutes. Okay? So energy का formula power into time. Power is 1 kilowatt and hour 30 minutes is half hour. So अगर multiply करेंगे तो what we get half kilowatt hour. Half kilowatt hour means energy is 0.5 kilowatt hour. Is it fine? This is my second answer. Right? Third में क्या पूछा? Okay, B का second, B का first. अब B का second में क्या पूछा? If suddenly voltage falls to 1000, okay, voltage falls to, I need some more space. Okay, voltage falls to 100 volt, right? 100 volt. Okay. Will then electricity and energy consumed in the same time? ओके कितना एनर्जी सेम टाइम में कंज्यूम होगा? ओके दिस इज बी का सेकंड वाला। तो पहले ओके एनर्जी के लिए मुझे फॉर्मूला लगेगा। ओके बी के सेकंड पार्ट के लिए एनर्जी के लिए मुझे फॉर्मूला चाहिए, एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू पावर इनटू टाइम। बट जब वोल्टेज ड्रॉप होगा तो व्हाट इज न्यू पावर? व्हाट इज न्यू पावर? तो न्यू पावर फाइंड आउट करने के लिए ओके टू फाइंड आउट न्यू पावर मेरा फॉर्मूला है वी स्क्वायर बाय आर। लेकिन मेरे पास R नहीं है तो फर्स्ट आई विल गेट R। R कहां से आएगा? फ्रॉम सेम फॉर्मूला R इज इक्वल टू V स्क्वायर बाय P। तो ओरिजिनल वोल्टेज वाज व्हाट? हाउ मच? 200 वोल्ट। 200 volt. So 200 into 200 upon R by P. Power is how much? Power was 1 kilovolt. That is 1000. That is 1000, right? And on cancelling 2,000, cancelling 3 zeros, I get resistance as 20 into 2, that is 40 omega, right? 40 omega. इससे मुझे उसका रेजिस्टेंस मिला। अब पावर व्हेन वोल्टेज ड्रॉप होगा। ओके जब वोल्टेज ड्रॉप हुआ, दिस पावर इज व्हेन वोल्टेज ड्रॉप। पहले जो किया था उसमें वोल्टेज ड्रॉप नहीं था, right? So power when voltage drop, V square. Now new voltage was how much? 100. Yes. So 100 into 100 upon R. 100 into 100 upon what? Upon R. Value of R. अभी मिला था 4. 2 into 2. 2 into 5. 2 into 5. And this 0 carry forward. So this is what? 250 watt. Now power is 250 watt. Into time is half hour as we have calculated earlier. So 250 को अगर half करेंगे तो we get 125 watt hour. I hope you have done these questions properly. Please don't leave this as an option. Yes, correct. Some students were already ready with the answers, right? Have we done all the questions? What assumptions you have made in part 1 above? What is the assumption we made? Okay. So no energy is wasted. Energy, okay. Entire electrical energy is converted into what? Mechanical energy consumed, okay, power. So no wastage, no dissipation, okay, no dissipation of energy means no wastage of energy, okay, no wastage of energy. Entire electric energy is converted into mechanical energy जो use किया है, okay, to drive some machine. हाँ या कोई मोटर उसके लिए, right? Can we continue? Can we move on to 13th question? Okay, we will try to do it as soon as possible. Okay, this is also very easy. What is the purpose of a fuse and in an electric circuit? देखो ये sure short question है, either related to a fuse or related to a switch or related to a earthing. ये definitely आने वाला है। So are you up for the next challenge? Okay, क्या हम लोग आगे करेंगे? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करना है। ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करेंगे। चलो करते हमारा अगला क्वेश्चन। What is the purpose of the fuse? For purpose of the fuse is what? Is to protect your appliance. Okay, when does it protect our appliance? Fuse क्यों होता है? Okay, purpose is what? To protect. Okay, to protect appliances. In what case it protect the appliances? Okay, in case of what case? Whenever there is an excess current, in case of excess current flowing through circuit, right? Write the two characteristics of the fuse wire. Fuse wire should be of what? Low melting point. What is the next character? क्या टाइप करोगे आप लोग चैट बॉक्स में? What is the next character? Okay, next character is high what? High resistivity. High resistivity. Okay, these are two characters. Explain the following. Ordinary copper wire cannot be used for fuse. Why? Why? Explain why. क्या होता है? क्योंकि ये कॉपर जो होता है ऑर्डिनरी कॉपर उसका मेल्टिंग पॉइंट हाई होता है. इसका मेल्टिंग पॉइंट इज हाई. And for copper, we use a wire which has a low melting point. That is the reason we use an alloy. Alloy of what? Lead and tin. Alloy of what? Lead and tin. Am I correct? Let me know. Am I correct? Are you getting it? Okay. So here we go. अगला क्वेश्चन क्या है? A fuse is always connected to a live wire of a circuit before the appliances. Appliance, ये appliance है. Okay, ये अगर appliance है, so this is live wire. So fuse is connected here. Okay, your fuse is connected here before the appliance, and other wire is a neutral wire. Let us say दूसरा वाला line जो है वो neutral है. So this is a correct position of a fuse. Why? Because whenever there is an excess current, what will happen? Okay, fuse will melt. Okay, और वो क्या करेगा? मेल्ट होकर क्या करेगा? तो अपना पर्पस को, okay, it will protect. Fuse will melt and protect the appliance from the damage, and protect the appliance from the damage. Are you getting it? Okay. अगर मैं क्या करता हूँ, फ्यूज को गलत जगह लगा देता, सपोज फ्यूज में इधर लगाता हूँ, तो अगर एक्सेस करंट होगा तो पहले तो वो अप्लायंस को डैमेज करेगा. सो द पर्पस व्हाई फ्यूज इज यूज्ड टू प्रोटेक्ट द अप्लायंस, दैट इज डिफीटेड, राइट? दैट इज डिफीटेड. ओके, सो दिस वन इज द रॉन्ग पोजिशन. एमसीबी इज बेटर देन अ फ्यूज. क्यों? एमसीबी जो है वो ट्रिप होता है, वो नीचे गिर जाता है. व्हाई इट इज बेटर? क्योंकि उसमें वो एमसी में फ्यूज वायर वो चेंज नहीं करना पड़ता है. बिकॉज व्हाई इट इज better? Okay, because no inconvenience of replacing a new fuse wire, of replacing new fuse wire. फ्यूज वायर चेंज नहीं करना पड़ता. whenever there is extra current, तो कुछ मिली सेकेंड में वो ट्रिपर जो है वो नीचे गिर जाता है, राइट? वो नीचे गिर जाता है, राइट? yes. I have a friend, my friend attending this class. Very good. Good evening to you. Okay, next question is what? Two fuses of A and B are rated 5A and 20A ampere respectively. They are of same length. Which one is a thicker? Again, a important question. Again, a very, very important question. Again, a very, very important question. Remember this. From Ohm's law, we know that I is directly proportional to what? Resistance. And resistance we are talking about what? Thickness. So resistance is inversely proportional to area of cross section. Area of cross section means what? Thickness. So when you compare this, what do you get? I think, according to Ohm's law, V by I is equal to R. V by I is equal to R. So I and R are inversely proportional. In turn, R is inversely proportional to area of cross section or thickness. So I can definitely say, current is directly proportional to area of cross section, which I mean as thickness. Means what? More ampere, more thickness, more ampere of current, more ampere current. Therefore 20 amperes ज़्यादा एम्पियर है, ज़्यादा करंट है. 20 ampere, more current, that means more thickness. More current, so more thickness. Wire is thicker. okay, thicker wire. And in case of 5 ampere, less current, so thinner wire. Thinner wire. Are you getting it? Let me know yes or no. Let me know yes or no. This D wala part is again very, very important. D wala part is again very, very important. Okay. What is meant by 5 ampere fuse? 5 ampere fuse. Again, this is like, क्या मतलब होता है इसका? Okay. Again, this is like rating. Okay. Increase the size of the page. Here we go. Okay. What is meant by 5 ampere fuse? That means safe limit of current to pass through circuit. To pass through circuit is what? Circuit is 5 ampere. 5 ampere, okay, this is the meaning, right? Can a fuse of 5 ampere rating be used in a circuit having an electrical kettle of 1000? Okay, see here, this is in a form of a numerical. Power is 1.5 kilowatt. Okay, kilo means what? Multiply by 1000. So I got this as 1500 watt. Operating V ka formula is 220 volt. So what is the formula for I? I का formula क्या है? Can you tell me what is formula for I? Formula of I is P by V, because P का formula है V by I, right? P is equal to V by I. So I get this as 1500 upon 220. 0 and 0 cancel. 2 into 11, 2 into 75. 75 divided by 11. So 6 point something. To be very precise, 6.82 ampere. And fuse is 5 ampere. Okay, fuse is 5 ampere. Therefore, safe limit. Okay, so fuse of, तो इसको fuse जो चाहिए वो बड़ा वाला चाहिए. Okay, therefore, fuse of 5 ampere cannot be used. Okay, cannot be used. क्यों? क्योंकि इससे करंट कितना पास होगा? 6.82 एम्पियर, और वो हमारे फ्यूज को क्या कर देगा? मेल्ट कर देगा. ओके, मेल्ट कर देगा. रीजन दे आर आस्किंग, तो आई थिंक आई ऑलरेडी हैव गिवन यू द रीजन. ओके, रीजन के लिए आपको कैलकुलेशन देना पड़ेगा. दिस इज योर स्टेटमेंट, इट कैन नॉट बी यूज. एंड रीजन के लिए क्या है? तो रीजन के लिए यू हैव दिस calculation, right? You can have a look at this question, and then we are moving on to question number 16. And we are moving on to question number 16, right? Are you getting it? Are you understanding it? Let me know. Okay, let me know if you are understanding it. Please like this live streaming. Okay, if you are attending this, if you are understanding this, if you are getting any benefit out of this live stream, so please like it. Okay, we are moving on to question number 16. State the purpose of the switch. Why switch is used? Okay, पहले fuse क्यों use किया? To protect the appliance. What is the purpose of switch? Definitely करंट को. ओके, स्विच को हम लोग ऑन करते हैं और ऑफ करते हैं. व्हेन वी स्विच ऑन द करंट, वी अलाउ द करंट टू पास. And when we switch off the current, when we don't want to use our appliances, we switch off the current. Correct now? What is the purpose of the switch? To allow current to flow through circuit. To allow the current to flow through circuit, right? And or what we do, we disallow the current to flow through this. Okay, we allow by switching it in the on position, and we disallow it by switching it off, right? Okay. To which wire should current switch be connected? Definitely to the live wire. Just like fuse is connected to the live wire. Okay, fuse is connected to the live wire. switch should also be connected to the live wire. Otherwise, what will happen? Okay, they are asking us the reason. Okay, I'll try to explain this with the form of a diagram. So here we have a switch. Okay, here we have a switch connected to what? Connected to a live wire, and this is our appliance. Okay, this is our what? Appliance. Okay, and this is neutral wire. Okay, this is neutral wire to complete the circuit. Right, it is allowed here. So we can switch on and off. Okay, it switch on and off while using the appliance. अगर इसको wrongly अगर हम लोगों ने neutral wire में place किया, okay, neutral wire में place किया, neutral wire में, okay, wrongly place किया, so what will happen? Appliance में current आएगा. क्या appliance चलेगा? अगर ये आपका bulb है तो will it glow? क्या आपका ये fan है, will it glow? Definitely not. लेकिन अगर आप लोग इसको handle कर रहे हैं, okay, when you are handling this appliance, okay, a person may get a fatal shock. Person may get fatal shock. Okay, person may get fatal shock. Okay, this is what you have to write. Okay, this is what you have to write. Fine. A person may get a fatal shock. Right? Any doubt? Let me know. Let me know if you have any doubt. Let me know. Okay. Correct. Why it is dangerous to connect a switch to a live wire? Okay, so that if it is connected, it is dangerous to connect a switch to the neutral wire. Why? We already have discussed the reason. What precaution should you observe while handling a switch? So they should be handled by a dry hand. Right? Should be handled. Okay, whenever you switch on or off, okay, you should never, your hand should never be wet. Right? These are common, very easy but important question as far as your examination is concerned. Right? Moving on to next question, that is 17. What is meant by the earthing of an appliance? Can anybody tell me what is an earthing of the appliances? Okay, can anybody tell me what is the earthing? Earthing of an appliances. Okay, what is earthing? Earthing of an appliance is a special arrangement. Is a special arrangement in which, okay, special arrangement, do you know, अगर मेटल केसिंग होगा, आप जो अप्लायंस है, जो अप्लायंस जो है वो अगर मेटल का केसिंग है उसको, ओके, मेटल केसिंग अगर होगा, केसिंग, तो इन केस इट कैन हैपन कि लाइव वायर जो है ये मेटल केसिंग को जो है वो टच करता है. ओके, सो दिस मेटल केसिंग जो होता है, मेटल केस जो होता है, दैट इज कनेक्टेड टू दिस लाइव, टू दिस वायर. ओके, it is a special arrangement in which metal case, okay, is connected to what? Is connected to a wire, and this wire ये connected होता है wire को, और ये वाला wire जो है, okay, wire which is welded, okay, this wire is welded to what? Copper plate. It is welded to the end of the copper plate, to the copper plate which is buried under the soil. Copper plate buried in soil. Okay, buried in soil. Right? Buried in soil. तो इसलिए इसको अर्थिंग बोलते हैं. Okay? So why is the paint? अगर आपका metal case होगा, उसके ऊपर paint होगा, so this paint act like an insulator. Okay? तो insulator. So if there is a paint, so the purpose, तो अर्थिंग वायर कभी फिजिकल कांटेक्ट में आता ही नहीं है, because of the paint. Paint act like a barrier between your metal and that wire. तो paint को पहले निकालते by scratching it off. Okay, scratching it off. Okay, yes, absolutely correct. Yes, absolutely correct. Okay, so act like an insulator. So this insulation is removed while earthing is done. Why is earthing of their appliances is essential? Okay, it is essential for the safety of the person. Okay, it is essential for the safety of person handling the appliance. Okay, safety of person handling the appliance, okay, in case if live wire get attached, okay, is touched to the metal casing, so that there will be a wire through that entire metal casing or a body of the appliances, and person handling these appliances will get a fatal shock. So for the safety of this person, okay, earthing is done. What is meant by local earthing? I think we already have discussed this. One end is attached to a metal casing after removing a paint, okay, and other end is welded to a copper plate which is buried under the soil. Okay, how does local provide safety? So how safety is provided? How safety is provided in case, okay, in case live wire touches the metal case of the appliance, metal casing or metal case of the appliance, okay, of the appliance. This excess current, okay, there is a short circuit. There is what? Short circuit. And fuse may blow. ये fuse का लिखना है point तो लिखो, नहीं लिखना है तो जाने दो. Okay, fuse will blow, not may, it will definitely blow. Right? And person handling the appliance, okay, person handling the appliance, okay, will be saved, okay, and will get a fatal shock. Fuse will blow and person will be protected. Okay, so this is for safety or a protection of a person handling the appliance. Are you getting it? Are you understanding it? Let me know. Are you understanding? Let me know. Okay, fine. चलो आगे बढ़ते. Yes, there is a large amount of current. Okay, there is a large amount of current. Okay, which okay, and this large amount of current can be fatal for the person. Okay, who's touching that appliances. Okay, large amount of current of high potential, of very high potential. Okay, of very high potential. Right? Can I continue? Can I move on to next question? So here we go. We are going to take 20 questions. Again, I feel this diagram is very important. Okay, this diagram is very important. This may be asked in your examination. देख रहे हैं आप लोग? आपको इसमें बताना है in this diagram. Okay, I think ये मैंने मेरे दूसरे शीट में भी इंक्लूड किया. Okay, एक है प्लग, लाइव वायर, न्यूट्रल वायर एंड earth wire. LNE. L stands for live wire or a phase. Okay, N stands for a neutral wire and E stands for earthing. A फिगर में हम लोग देख रहे हैं प्लग और B में देख रहे हैं सॉकेट. So here it is numbered as 1, 2 and 3. हमको बताना है 1 कौन सा. Okay, can you tell me what is 1? Okay, where this 1 will go, to which wire? Definitely 1 will be for earthing. Am I right? And here 4 will be earthing. Okay, socket ka 4 will go to the earth. Correct? And in plug, left side, matlab 3 wala is live, third is live, और यहाँ पर राइट साइड वाला लाइव होता है, मतलब कौन सा 3 and 6. न्यूट्रल कहाँ पर होगा? For plug it is 2 and there it is 5. Let me know, have you understood this? Let me know, have you understood this? Okay, why plug is thicker? You can see that this plug is longer as well as thicker as compared to the other two, live and neutral. Why? So first we will tell ki why. What is the advantage of having this thicker? Okay, or having this thicker plug. When it is thicker, okay, even by mistake, galti se bhi, okay, it cannot go. Okay, it cannot go inside. Okay, it cannot be inserted in the other holes. Okay, one hole is for live and it cannot be inserted in the hole, made for what? Hole made for live or neutral. Okay, live or neutral. Okay, neutral से तो कुछ खतरा नहीं है, लेकिन live में जाएगा तो it can be a dangerous. लंबा होने का क्या फायदा? Okay, what is the advantage of being what? Longer. Longer का benefit क्या है? When it is longer, so first connection, okay, first connect for safety first. This is called safety first. Okay, so earth wire, okay, comes in contact first. So what we can say? This is what? This is safety first. Is it fine? क्या समझ में आया आप लोगों को? You can have a look at this entire question. Okay, let me know if you have understood this. अगर understood, we have to take two more questions. That is 19th वाला and 20th. 90th and 20th. Right? So here I go. Question number 19. Two cables. I think this question is repeated. Of 15 ampere and 5 ampere. The wires of which cable is thicker? Give one reason for your answer. So A wala. Okay, 15 ampere is thicker. Which one is thicker? 15 ampere. Why? What is the reason? तो हम लोगों ने देखा था current is inversely proportional to resistance as per Ohm's law, and resistance is inversely proportional to what? Area of cross section, yeah, thickness. When you compare both of them, we can say current is directly proportional to thickness, area of cross section or thickness, right? Means, okay, means what? It means that area is, okay, it means that more current, let me scroll down page, more current, thicker the wire. Is it clear? I think this question is repeated. Okay, this is very important. Yes, this is very important for from your examination point of view. A lady pressing the clothes, okay, with an electric press received a shock. State two reasons. One reason might be improper earthing. What might be second reason? Okay, live, okay, what? Fuse or switch. Okay, fuse or switch or both are connected to what? Are connected to neutral wire. Is connected, wrong wiring is done. Or maybe she is handling this press with wet hands, right? Okay, so this can be a reason. Switch of an electric bulb is connected to a neutral wire. Does bulb glow on when a position, okay, does it glow? Let me select this color plus. Does the glow when it is on? Yes, it will definitely glow. Will bulb glow in a off position of a switch? No. Okay, then what is a danger? Then what is a danger? Okay, so danger is that, what is a danger to connect? Okay, appliance, okay, bulb is, okay, receiving, bulb is receiving current even when it is off, is receiving current even when switched off, right? And if you are handling that bulb, you may get a shock. That is the reason it is dangerous to connect switch to the neutral wire. Correct? Any doubt, let me know. Yes, midnight predictions are coming tomorrow. Tomorrow midnight. Okay, yes, it is definitely coming. Let's come to the last question. Okay, remaining 20 maybe we will solve tomorrow. Are you ready for last question? A current carrying a conductor produces a magnetic field around it. What name is given to it? Okay, so name given is magnetic field. It is a magnetic field due to current. Due to current. Right? Is it right? Name and state the law that determines the direction. Okay, that law is right hand. Direction of magnetic field around the conductor. Right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rule. Any idea who has given this rule? It is not a part of your syllabus, but for an additional information. Any idea who has given this rule? This rule is given to us by Maxwell. Okay, a Maxwell, a student of Michael Faraday. Right? State the two factors on which magnetic field at a point due to conductor depend. Okay, so first factor is, okay, first factor is, I can say magnetic field, which is denoted by capital B, okay, depends upon the strength of the current flowing through it, and it is directly proportional to the current. More current, okay, so more current, more magnetic field. Less current, less magnetic field. And the other factor it depends on is the number of turns. First is current I, represented by I, and other one is number of turns. And this is also what? This is also directly proportional. Okay, so more number of turns, the stronger is the magnetic field. Stronger is the magnetic field. Yes, Abhay. Okay, it is given by formula. Okay, BIL. Force is given by BIL. So B will be F upon okay, KIL. Correct. Okay, and next one is what? Radius. Okay, for additional information, this point is not asked, so not required, but it is also inversely proportional to the radius. Thicker the wire, lesser will be the magnetic field, and thinner the wire, okay, thinner the radius, more will be the magnetic field. So we have covered all the 20 questions. Okay, I'll upload this PDF in the description box. Okay, if there is any problem with this PDF in the description box, let me know. Okay, let me know. I'll rectify this problem. Okay, please also don't forget to watch this video. Okay, so to go through this video, I have these videos for you. That is how to skyrocket your marks after, okay, disaster in SEM 1. Okay, if your SEM 1 was not up to the mark, so this is you are going to have another go at this test on Monday. So you have to make sure that you score maximum marks, so your percentage goes high. Yes, thank you very much, Abhay. Okay, so I have a video on a strategy, then I have a video on this chapter, very important chapter, calorimetry, electromagnetism. In fact, I have 3 videos on electromagnetism, then sound on resonance, then sure shot numericals. This some of the numericals from this video I have covered today as well. Then radioactivity, entire chapter is there. There are 5 videos. You can go through this, right? And you can go, okay, you can go to my playlist. You can go to my playlist and check out for this subject physics, right? And you will get lots of video. Recently, okay, I have uploaded a video. Please check out the description box. Please check out the description box. Okay, in the description box, there are super 40 questions. Solve them, get a benefit out of it. Okay, if you have any doubt, please write your doubt. Mention your doubt in the comment box. Make use of your comment box. Okay, I'll try to reply for those doubts. And tomorrow midnight, okay, few hours before your board examination, I am going to come up with the prediction video. Okay, prediction video. Please don't forget to see that video. There I am going to give you sure short questions. Right now, this is a time to say good night to all of you. So good night from my side. Yes, Nikila, thank you very much. God, thank you very much. KV, thank you very much. Mamta Singh, thank you very much. Okay, Conquer, thank you very much. Abhay, thank you very much. And God, thank you very much. Right, and all the students who have attended this live stream, thank you very much. Have a sound sleep. Get up tomorrow, because tomorrow is going to be an important day, because you are going to prepare yourself for the examination. As of now, goodbye and good night from my side. See you all in my next video. I will be meeting you all very soon. Till then, best of luck. Keep studying. Keep preparing for your next paper. Bye, all of you. Yes, bye to all of you. Bye. Bye. Thank you very much.